Look, the light is green now. Look on both the sides of the road and then cross. Kids Garage Wheels and Vehicles. Look at the little car going up and down the hill. Time to go! Oh, he did not see the nail. Don't worry. Here is the tow truck. Let's take it to the garage of Dr. Sid. He will repair your car. Dr. Sid is an expert. Bring the car down. Time to change the tire. Let's check where the nail is. Such a big one. Remove it with the pliers. Good job. Oh, look, there is a hole. Put some glue on it. Very good. Let's fix the tire back. Fill some air in it. Yippee! The car is ready. Bring it down. Time to go. Thanks, Dr. Sid. You're wonderful.
Yay!
Oh, look at that sports car. Oh, there is a speed limit. It's going so fast. A speed breaker. The tire is totally damaged. It needs repairing. Reach the garage. Dr. Sid needs to check the car. The tire needs to be changed. Yes, that's the correct one. Yes, that's the correct one. Oh, the car is ready again. Dr. Sid, for all your help. Oh, look at that sports car. Oh, the little bus is here. Oh, the person did not see the signboard. Oh, the bus dashed with the rock. Need to go to Dr. Sid's garage immediately. Time to repair the bus. That's right. Wow, this looks perfect. Thanks for all your help. Oh, the little bus is here. Dr. Sid is going to visit the car factory. Here comes the car factory. Let's learn how the cars are made. Oh, that's the chassis. Fix the tire. Time to fix the second tire. Here comes the seats and steering wheel. Add some accessories. Fix the body part. Oh, here comes the door. A second door. Let's fix the window glass. Time to put the engine. Oh, here is the bonnet. Time to put the side glass. Fix the bumper in the front. Fix the bumper in the tail. Place the headlight. Time to put the tail light. Good job. Let's paint the car. It looks so attractive. The car is ready to go off the road. It looks so attractive. The car is on the drive. Switch on the headlights. Oh, it's almost evening. Look, it's dark now. The lights are not working. It's not safe to drive without lights. Let's stop here only. Drive when there is daylight. It's morning. The car needs to go to the Dr. Sid's garage. Oh, here is Dr. Sid.
Hi.
Let's get the lights checked. Switch on the side lights. That's correct. They're working properly. Oh, the rear lights are working properly. Time to check the headlights now. Let's remove them. Let's repair them. Need to open it first. Oh, need to change the bulbs. Put new bulbs. Very good. Let's fix it back.
Yay!
Kindly check the headlights now. Oh, they're working. Dr. Sid, you're so clever. You did a great job. Bye-bye, we'll visit you again. He needs to cross the road. Oh, the lights are red. You can't cross the road. Look, the light is green now. Look on both the sides of the road and then cross it. Hey, Dr. Sid has crossed the road. The green lights are on for the vehicles to move. There is something wrong with the car. Let's call the tow truck. Hey, here is Dr. Sid's garage. Open the hood of the car. This device will check the battery. Ah, there is no charge in the battery. The battery has to be charged. Very good. Join the wires to the battery. Switch on the battery charger. Wait for a while. Look, the light is green now. This shows the battery of the car is charged. Hooray! It's ready! Always check your batteries before the drive. Oh, what happened suddenly? Oh, the tire has come off. The car needs an immediate help. Here is the tow truck. Very good. Oh, here is Dr. Sid's garage. Dr. Sid needs to find out what's wrong with the car. There is no oil in the engine. Let's fill the oil in the engine. Very good. Uh-oh, the air filter is totally choked. It needs to be changed. Air filter. Time to add the coolant. Fill the water to clean the screen. Very good. Let's put the new tire. The car seems to be all right. You can take your car. Drive safe. Bring the car for the regular checkups. This will help you.
Yay!